So first time at Warner Brothers for everybody, yes?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so we have 90 years of filmmaking, over 60 years of TV production. Okay, Warner Brothers came here in 1927. Harry Albert Salmon Jack. Four Aspiring brothers that wanted to enlarge their business, expanded to over 110 acres. It was only 60 acres when they came here. They purchased a studio from First National Pictures. We had Mary Pickford back here. Charlie Chaplin did some wonderful silent movies. Now, Warner Brothers created the very first talkie movie in Hollywood. Thanks to them. Left-hand side. Very easily done. Across the way, we have Mrs. Deagle's home. That one scene for Gremlins, where she actually busts out the top story of that window, which is kind of like a CGI image of that. Now, for example, Emily's home across the way, we had a car crash in the front window of the living room for one episode of Pretty Little Liars. Okay, we actually stopped the whole front end of that house. Practicality, very, very good, kind of like inexpensive, melt down in the vacuum form, nice low hot temperature, comes out looking like an impression, either brick, masonry, or something. Come on, dude, come on. Sorry about that. Come on, folks, we're going to watch a short video. 15 seasons, this is County General for ER, just on the outside. This is the elevated Chicago L train. How believable that looks, guys, okay? It's made of very, very light steel, not real heavy steel. We paint brown paint on there to look like rust. Now the little rivets, they're made of resin, a plant. Believe it or not, folks, we melt that down in a vacuum form press. On the left-hand side, okay? Burt Warnerstone, okay, with Jim Carrey, did a magic act in the middle of this courtyard area. In the middle of the street here, we have one episode for ER, a crashed plane in the middle of this road here, guys. We have Dr. Ross helping a bunch of injured patients. One little thing here.
Stage 24. Oh, wow.
Over the years. Call one of the security department to get us in.
Silly.
Very small lady.
Go ahead, Megan. Megan, switch it.
Bat wings, the real problem. Dark nights.
Oh.
You guys want a group picture, let me know.
Yeah, that one too, right? That was Dark Knight.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Megan. Make you dab. How do you do? What's the song?
So, I don't know. You should try it.
Do it with the real Dobby. Dab.
Look at my arm.
Wait, 700 feet. Oh, look, here it is.
Turn left on Disneyland Hotel.
Yay! Girls, look.
I am.
I always say, Mommy's coming home.
I thought Disney World was home.
So I guess it's not included. Hi, we're checking in.
Okay, sure, straight ahead.
Thank you.
We are.
Turn right.
Here we are, Disneyland.
Or do you want to do valet or self?
Well, we have to check out first.
Hang on, Benny. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on. We can't block the. I don't know. What is it? Just go.
Oh, wrong lights. Lights. No, never mind.
Oh, what's on the floor?
Mickey shoes.
Jeez Louise, who did this?
Here, open the drapes.
Oh, well, that's fine. Oh, wait.
Ta-da.
Yay.
Ta-da. Yay.
Well, they have a nice view.
Yeah.
Like, this is Tower of Terror.
There it is over there.
There's California Adventure over there. And what's straight across? I see the spires of what?
Spires.
The spires of.
Castle.
No, that's not the castle.
That's Space Mountain.
Remember the
That's
castle?
Space Mountain.
That's Space Mountain. Yep. Remember the castle is a lot smaller. Sleeping Beauty Castle is smaller than. Oh, no way. What's this say? Okay, go ahead.
All right, you like the room so far, girls?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Show us a demonstration of the coolest thing. Hey girls, where are we? Where are we? Yay! Oh, we're videoing now. Oh no, we're videoing. Hi Megan, we're in the poolette. Woohoo! This is what you've been waiting for all week long.
Huh?
Oh, what's that over there? That's the Disneyland sign. That's the monorail. The monorail slide at the other pool. It is closed. That's a bummer.
But we're gonna go tomorrow.
Yep.
I wanna go down all this.
Well, which is our hotel? This is our room. Is way over there.
No, I think it's like that one.
Is it that one, or it could be that one?
That's lit up.
Very good.